Señor Coyote, the Judge. Once upon a time, on a day when the sun blazed in the sky, Señor Rattlesnake slid out of his cool hole in the ground. He slithered around the cactus blossoms and stretched out to nap on the hot desert sand. He was almost asleep when a large stone rolled down the mountainside and landed right on him. Señor Rattlesnake didn't know what to do. He wiggled and squiggled, but it was no use. Señor Rattlesnake was helplessly trapped. Nearby, Señor Rabbit was napping in a cool mountain cavern. He woke up to the sounds of Señor Rattlesnake's hissing and rattling. Señor Rabbit hopped out of the shady cavern and into the bright sunlight. He blinked his eyes carefully, crept out onto the rocky ledge, and looked over the side. He saw Señor Rattlesnake wiggling in the sun. Señor Rabbit hurried down the mountain and up to the snake. "Señor Rattlesnake, why are you lugging that heavy stone on your back?" he asked. "Where are you taking it?" "I'm not lugging it anywhere," groaned the snake. "I am trapped and need help. Now get this stone off me." Señor Rabbit was a kind creature. He sat and placed his big feet against the stone. He pushed and pressed, then he pushed some more. Finally, the heavy stone rolled away. "Thank you, Señor Rabbit," hissed the snake. "Such a good deed deserves a reward." "I was glad to help," said the rabbit. "I don't need a reward." "Yes, you do," hissed Señor Rattlesnake, rattling his tail. "What?" cried Señor Rabbit. "I just saved your life." "Yes, you did. And for your reward, I will eat you for my supper." Poor Señor Rabbit was too frightened to run. He just sat there as Señor Rattlesnake prepared to strike. Just then, Señor Coyote strolled by. "What is going on here?" he asked. The rabbit and the snake both began to speak at once. "Wait!" shouted Señor Coyote. "Speak one at a time. Señor Rabbit, you speak first." "Señor Rattlesnake was trapped under the stone," said the rabbit. "He asked for my help. Then, after I pushed away the stone, he said he would reward me by eating me." "Not true," hissed the snake. "I crawled into a shallow space under the stone. I wanted to trick Señor Rabbit to catch him for my supper." Señor Coyote scratched his head. "Let me think for a minute," he said. "Since you both agree that Señor Rattlesnake was under this stone, it is only fair that he crawl under it so I can see how things were," said Señor Coyote. "Ah, but the stone has been moved," hissed Señor Rattlesnake. "I can't crawl under it now. You will have to roll it onto me." So Señor Coyote rolled the heavy stone onto the snake and asked, "Is this how you were?" "Yes," hissed Señor Rattlesnake. "Now take it off." "I have a better plan," said Señor Coyote. "You stay under that stone. It is your reward for trying to trick someone who helped you. Good day, Señor Rattlesnake."